Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share my thoughts on Puzzle.io, an accounting software designed to make managing your finances easy and stress-free. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone looking to organize your books without breaking the bank, Puzzle.io has something for you. Now, what exactly is Puzzle.io? It's an all-in-one platform that handles everything from expense tracking and invoicing to managing taxes and generating reports. It's built to take the headache out of bookkeeping, offering a clean and user-friendly experience, even if numbers aren't your thing. Here's where it gets interesting. Puzzle.io offers a free plan, which is great for anyone just starting out. But keep in mind, it comes with basic features, so if you need more advanced tools, you'll need to explore their paid plans. Let's dive into what you get and what sets Puzzle.io apart. So what can Puzzle.io do? Here are some standout features. Expense tracking. Easily sync your bank transactions and keep tabs on your spending. Invoicing made simple. Create and send professional invoices in just a few clicks. Basic reports. Get a snapshot of your profit and loss to understand your business better. Multi-currency support. Perfect if you work with clients across the globe. The free plan gives you access to these core features, which is a great starting point. But if you're looking for detailed reporting or automation, those are reserved for the premium tiers. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Here's what I loved and what could use a little work. The pros: free plan available. A budget-friendly option for freelancers and small businesses. Intuitive interface. Clean design makes it easy to navigate, even for beginners. Affordable paid plans. If you need more, upgrading won't break the bank. Multi-currency support. A rare bonus for businesses dealing internationally. The cons. The free plan is limited, so growing businesses may need to upgrade quickly. There's no mobile app yet, which could be inconvenient for users who prefer on-the-go access. So, is Puzzle.io worth it? If you're looking for a straightforward, affordable way to manage your business finances, the free plan is a great place to start. It's perfect for freelancers or small business owners who need essential tools without unnecessary extras. And when you're ready for more advanced features, their paid plans make for an easy step up. Have you tried Puzzle.io? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.